Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with Apple Pay on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to learn about the accepted payments method on eBay. And from here, we are going to learn about that on the customer service article on eBay. And basically, as you can see, when a seller creates a listing, it will eBay will automatically add the credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal as payments options or payments method at the checkout. That means that already Apple Pay is eligible and accepted by eBay. Now all it remains is just to simply go to the checkout page so you can be able to pay with your Apple Pay. So basically, you will be needing just to go to any product, and from there, you will need to go to the checkout page, and either you can click on Add to Cart, so you can add your to your cart, or you can simply click on Buy It Now. So now I'm just going to click on Buy It Now, and as you can see here, we will find like a Google Pay and Apple Pay. And basically for this seller, we can't find Apple Pay here. That means that the seller isn't allowing the Apple Pay here. So it really depends on your seller too. So he need to enable the amount or to enable the payments method to be available in the checkout, and we can go to any other, for example this one, and let's see all the payments options that are available for here. So we need just to search for this one that are enabling the Apple Pay here, and basically you will be able to start like paying with your Apple Pay account. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.